Do you want to know how you can buy Connects on your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy Connects on your Upwork account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and open upwork.com. After you open upwork.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. What you need to do next is go ahead and click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and click Connects. After you click on Connects, this is the page where you can buy Connects. Go ahead and click Buy Connects, which is over here. It will take you to this page where you can see that you can buy Connects according to your wish. So you can see the price range over here. You can also enter your custom amount and you will be charged according to your budget and your wish. You can also enter your promo code over here and you can click Buy Connects and then you can pay via your PayPal or your card. This way you can buy more Connects and you can connect with more clients and agencies on your Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.